And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. Just want you to know I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Everything's made to be broken. Just want you to know who I am. Just want you to know who I am. Just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I don't want the world to see me. Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know. I just want you to know. I just want you to know who I am. Just want you to know who I am. Baby, we should come back down. I always signal you when I'm feeling low. I always
Nagkakilala kami ni Daddy sa school. Magkaklase kami. We are nursing students and ayun, lagi kaming seatmate. Siya ang parang kakompetensya ko sa classroom kasi matalino rin siya.
Yunti kami, nabilog to ano mi, so matoa, si Gio. Bali, ang nangyari ka to, siyempre nagbalo siya, nag-stop siya. Ako, tigdiretso ko sa ano, sa pagklase ko. Hanggang sa mga niya na, ang naging tulong na sa akin. Si Mrs. Nurse yan, siyempre, nandun ako, ginib up niya sa karir niya.
Love is a sacrifice. Whenever we accept this kind of gift, we should be ready, we should be prepared to face any kind of sacrifices.
Siyempre, sa pagsasama namin, yung traits niya, nakilala ko na siya, nakilala kong mga ugali niya. So, para sa akin, siya na talaga yung pinag-pray ko kay God na makakasama habang buhay.
Thankful pa din ako sa iya kasi nag-give up niya. So, dream niya. Para lang maging full-time mom. Yeah. Very ako sa iya. Saludo akong maray sa iya na niya ito, set aside niya para sa muya, para sa pamilya mo.
After this wedding, sana kaming dalawa magsama hanggang sa pagtanda at maging masaya kasama ang aming 3 boys na mga anak.
Good luck and best wishes.
Sacrifice does not only mean, giving out the best, but giving out something meaningful, something that you will never take back.
17 years ago, I could never imagine that our dream will come true at the right time, in the right place. A place where I looked into the eyes of my best friend and pledged to be my love forever.
Dahil na akong ma-advise ta, ani una di ang gabos. Ang agaw, dahil pigaanapan ki iba, iyo sana ang dahil na ki iba.
Ada may iba?
Dahil, kapastaan sabi ko, saro sa ng babae, kama na may aki ng tulo.
Just forget the world.
To my love, today I stand before you with a full heart, grateful of the journey that brought us together.
Know how to say
Daddy, eto na yung matagal nating wish na makasal. Sana wag kang magsasawa sa sa araw-araw nating pagsasama, magsama tayo hanggang sa pagtanda. See you later. I love you so much, Daddy. You are the sweetest, the most loving, caring, and responsible husband and father to our kids.
you lie with
Mami, yun na ini. So, promise ko sa imo na makakasal ka sa simbahan. Finally, nangyari din. Maski medyo na aloy-aloy. Promise. Mamaya, di ako maibig.
Show me a garden that's bursting into life.
I promise to remain faithful, honest. I will hold your hand through every season of life, grow old with you, and never stop choosing you.
My love, you are my lifetime love, and I will choose you in every day of my life, forever and ever.
Today, every day, forever, I give you my heart. I love you, and I can't wait to spend my life with you.
Confused about how it's real. Just know that these things will never change for us.
Today, I will choose you and promise to choose you every day. Even we are going to have ups and downs, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang uuwian at pipiliin palagi. I love you, asawa ko.
I love you. Love you.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?